Welcome to a picture lookup function. Picture lookup function means if you want to be retrieve the picture from the particular table or particular range to the particular cell, we can easy to retrieve the picture. That is called the picture lookup function. This workbook contains two sheets. The first one is a picture lookup function introduction, then picture lookup practical section, right? So we have already studied about what's the picture lookup function. Picture lookup function means if you want to be retrieve the picture from the particular range to cell, we can easy to retrieve the picture. You can see here in the second sheet contains the practical section for the picture lookup function. You can see here picture lookup function, product detail, Fresh Garden Private Limited. The Fresh Garden Private Limited produce a bouquet item to sell this bouquet to the marketplace. So the product details available for the Fresh Garden Private Limited. The first column contains the product code, then product name, the number of flowers, product made by, flowers image, cost of product, selling price. So these details available. There are 7 products the Fresh Garden Private Limited sell the market. The first product is 1001, that is a product code. The product name is Pinky Love. It consists of 15 flowers and the product made by Lotus. Then flowers image available here, and then cost of product $25 and the selling price is $43.75. The second product code is 1002. Product name is Happy Violet and the number of flowers 25, and then product made by Violet, the flowers image Violet, and cost of product 30 and selling price is 52.50. So likewise there are 7 products are available for the Fresh Garden Private Limited. They want to get the they want to retrieve the data from this range to these cells. So this is we are going to be work in this worksheet, right? So if I type the product code, the product name, name of the flowers, product made by, selling price, cost of product, and then gross profit, it automatically generated. So if you want to be retrieve the data, product name, number of flowers, product made by, selling price, and cost of product, we can use the Vlookup function to retrieve the data. Vlookup function we have already studied in the chapter 1. So if you don't know the Vlookup function, you can study first the Vlookup function in the chapter 1. Then you can come and watch this one. It is very easy for you to understand, very clear manner, right? Then if I enter the product code, the flowers name, flowers image also, it's automatically retrieved from this range to here. So how can we get? We can get by using picture lookup function, right? So I'm going to be doing it one by one, and if you watch that, you can easy to understand how to do this task. First, I'm going to be get the product code. If I want to be get the product code list in this cell, we can use the data validation. So I need to go to the data ribbon. Under the data ribbon, I need to choose the data validation. Under the data validation, we are going to be choose the list, and the source file available via the product code available here. So I'm going to be choose the product code. There are 7 products available. I'm going to be choose. Then I'm going to be click OK button. Now you can see there is a drop down mark will come here. So you can choose 1001, 1002, right? The second product name we need to be retrieved from this table to here. So if I want to be retrieve the data from here to here, I mean range to this cell, we can use the Vlookup function or index and match function. Now we are going to be use the Vlookup function to retrieve the data from this range to here. So I need to put that equal sign, then I need to call the Vlookup function and start the bracket. We need to pass the 4 parameters: lookup value, table array, column index, and the range of lookup. Lookup value means we are going to be retrieve the data based on the product code. So I'm going to be choose the product code as a lookup value, comma, table array. Table array means we need to choose the entire table. So I'm going to be choose the entire table, that is the table array, right, comma, column index, the product name, which column available, first column product code, the second column is product name. So product name is available in the second column. So second column, comma, we need exact match or approximate match. We need exactly what's up here in the cell. It need to be retrieved to here. So I need to choose the exact match. Then I'm going to be close the bracket, then enter. So 1002 is happy violet. You can see 1002 is happy violet. So if I change the product code, it will also change. 1001 is pinky love, right? So the likewise we can retrieve the data from this range to here. I'm going to be copy this formula. You can see here the formula. I can copy this formula and I'm going to be enter in this formula here, but number of flowers, where is the available, which column available, first, second, third column available. So I need to enter third column, then enter. So you can see number of flowers 15, pinky love 15, right. The product made by fourth column. So I'm going to be enter the formula and I'm going to be change the column index 4. The selling price available here. So which column this one, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, or 1, 7 column. So I'm going to be change the column index is 7 and enter. And then cost of product, which column, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth column. So I'm going to be under sixth column, then enter. So cost of production available. Gross profit mean, what is the gross profit? Gross profit mean selling price minus cost of product, that is called that gross profit, right? Selling price minus cost of product, it is called that gross profit. So how can we get the gross profit? I'm going to put that equal sign, then I need to select the selling price minus cost of product, enter. So you can see gross profit is automatically generate. If I change the product code, everything will be generate, everything will be retrieved from this range to here, right? So it's awesome. Now I'm going to be retrieve the picture also, right? If I enter the product code, the flowers image also should be retrieved to this cell. How can we retrieve? It's very simple. Before going to be retrieve the flowers image, we need to understand how to insert the picture. So if you want to be insert the picture, we can easy to insert the picture. Go to the insert menu and you can see the illustration. Under the illustration you can see the picture. Under the picture, click this device. In the computer have this picture. So I'm going to be choose one picture for an example. If I enter the picture, if I select the picture, it will come here. You can see the picture available here, right? So likewise I enter and the resize the picture and I enter into this cell, right? Likewise I enter. So I'm going to be delete this image because I just explained how to insert the image. So you can see this is the cell, this is the image, this is the cell, okay, this is the cell, but this is the image. This is the cell, this is the image. You need to know the difference, right? Okay, so the flowers image need to be retrieved. So if I want to be retrieve the flower image, first you need to copy one image cell, right? Not image cell you need to be copy. So Control plus C, and I'm going to be paste here. I'm going to be paste here, but I'm going to be paste link only. So if I want to enter the link, you can see here other paste option, the link. So I'm going to be click the link. You can see the picture come here, and you can see the formula bar, the picture name available, right? After that, I need to go to the formula ribbon. Another formula ribbon, I need to choose the define name, right? Define name. I'm going to be write the function, right? So I'm going to be write the function flower image, right? The name is flower image, flower underscore image, right? That refers to, I'm going to be write the formula here. We can retrieve the image by using index and match functions, right? How can we retrieve the image in this cell? We are going to be retrieve the image by using index and match function. We have already studied about index and match function. If you don't know, you just watch that index and match function in the previous section, right? So first I'm going to be put that index function. After that we are going to put that match function. So first I need to put that equal sign, then I need to call the index function. I start the bracket. We know well that index function, the first we have to select the array. So array is where is available the flowers image. So we need to be select the entire cells for the flowers image. So I'm going to be select entire image for the flowers, right? Comma. Then I need to call the match function, because we need to be retrieve based on the product made by flowers, right? So I need to call that match function and start the bracket. Then here you can see product made by red rose. So if it is change the flowers based on this product made by, we need to be get the flowers image, right? You can see here lotus, product made by lotus, the lotus image, violet, violet image, orchid, orchid image. So here the product made by red rose. So we need to choose the lookup value. Lookup value mean which basis we are going to be choose. So I am going to be choose the product made by, comma, where is this column available, that is the array. So we need to choose that this is available here, right? Comma, exact match or approximate match, we need exactly, so I need to put that 0. Then I need to close the index function, then I need to close the match function, then enter. So now the formula is ready, right? So now I am going to be click here, and I am going to be change the formula here equal, you can see flowers image, then enter. It will change, right? Now if you change product code, it also will be changed. You can see 1001 pinky love, 15 flowers, and lotus, selling price 43.75, cost of product 25, gross profit 18.75, flowers image lotus. You can see lotus, lotus here. And 1005, 1006 pretty spring pink, number of flowers 20, pink rose 43.75 selling price, cost of product is 25, gross profit 18.75. the flowers image, you can see pink flowers. Likewise, if you change the product code, it will retrieve from here to here. So you understand now how can we retrieve the picture also from Excel range to the particular cell. If you change anything else in the table, it will be reflected here. For an example, I'm going to be change the 1001 product pinky love, the number of flowers is 20. If I change to 20, you can see here, if I enter the 1001, it is come 20. If I change 15, it will come 15. You can see here, it will change 15, right? So anything you want to be changed, you just change here, it will be reflect here. This is also awesome features for the Microsoft Excel.